Hey there, you've just bought your first cryptocurrency. You're excited, you're nervous, and you're probably wondering, now what? One of the most important things you need to do is find a safe and reliable place to store your crypto. That's where platforms like Nuggs come in. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of depositing cryptocurrency on Nuggs. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Creating a Nuggs account. The first thing you'll need to do is create a Nuggs account. It's a pretty straightforward process. You'll just need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and phone number. Don't worry, Nuggs takes security very seriously, so your information is safe with them. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to prevent fraud. Nuggs will ask you to upload a photo of your government-issued ID. It's a quick and easy process. Step 2. Funding your account. Now that you have a verified account, it's time to fund it. Nuggs offers a few different options for funding your account, including bank transfers, debit card payments, and cryptocurrency deposits. If you're using a bank transfer, you'll need to provide Nuggs with your bank account information. The process is usually pretty quick, but it can take a few business days for the funds to appear in your Nuggs account. If you're using a debit card, you'll be able to fund your account instantly. However, there may be fees associated with using a debit card. And finally, if you already have cryptocurrency, you can deposit it directly into your Nuggs account. This is a great option if you want to avoid the potential fees associated with buying cryptocurrency on Nuggs. Step 3. Depositing cryptocurrency. To deposit cryptocurrency on Nuggs, you'll need to find the deposit button on your account page. When you click on this button, you'll be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies that Nuggs supports. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and follow the instructions on the screen. You'll need to provide Nuggs with the wallet address where your cryptocurrency is stored. Once you've entered the correct address, you can send your cryptocurrency to Nuggs. It's important to double-check the wallet address before sending your cryptocurrency. If you send it to the wrong address, you may lose your funds. Step 4. Confirming your deposit. Once you've sent your cryptocurrency to Nuggs, it may take a few minutes for the deposit to be confirmed. Nuggs will send you a notification once your deposit has been processed. Once your deposit is confirmed, you'll be able to start trading cryptocurrency on Nuggs. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when depositing cryptocurrency on Nuggs. Security. Always prioritize security when storing your cryptocurrency. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Fees. Be aware of the fees associated with depositing cryptocurrency on Nuggs. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're depositing. Customer support. If you have any problems with your deposit, don't hesitate to reach out to Nuggs customer support team. They're there to help you. Conclusion. Depositing cryptocurrency on Nuggs is a relatively simple process. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to fund your account and start trading in no time. Remember, always prioritize security when storing your cryptocurrency. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.